Today, I'm opening something I've been talking about all week, and it's really built around one idea. Families need orientation before they enter the recruiting process. You wouldn't start a new job without orientation. You wouldn't walk in on day one and just guess what you're supposed to do. You want to understand expectations, timelines, and how the system works. But that's exactly what most families do in recruiting. They jump into showcases, they start emailing coaches, they post highlights, they travel every weekend. And they're trying to figure it out while they're already inside the process. And that's why I created the college recruiting on ramp system. It's orientation for families entering the recruiting process so you understand how the system actually works before you try to operate inside. When you enter the on ramp system, you're not just getting information, you're getting guided orientation into the recruiting process. You'll start with the core framework that walks you through how recruiting actually works step by step. You'll go through the on ramp course, which explains the timeline, the roster reality, communication strategy, and how to build a real plan. You'll also get 4 on-ramp books, which give you structure, worksheets, and guidance so you can actually implement this as a family. This goal is simple. You enter the recruiting process with clarity instead of confusion. So, who is this really for? Well, first, it's for families just starting the recruiting process. If your child's in middle school or early high school and you're trying to figure out where to begin, this gives you the roadmap before you make early mistakes. Second, families who feel like they already are in but don't have direction. You've been to events, you've emailed coaches, but you're not sure if you're doing things right. This helps you reset and get organized. And third, families who want structure. Recruiting can feel confusing, emotional, and when you understand the timeline, the roster reality, and the roles, everything becomes clear. You stop guessing, you stop chasing exposure, and you start operating with a plan. That's what orientation should do. If you want to understand how recruiting actually works, before you keep moving forward, well, the college recruiting on ramp system is now open. You can click the link in my bio or just visit keithmondillo.com to get started. I look forward to seeing you. Take care.